eventful years of the DSWD Field Office Fire. We continuously face the coming months and years with an enlightened and motivated heart for our fellow Filipinos.
So ngayon, I hope na ito ay sinisimula natin ang Vulcan Awards, ay ito ay magsimula na rin. From then on and onwards, the Vulcan Awards represents the passion of the Bicolanos at pati ang how ang each agency, ang each provinces, ang local government units is one. One Bicol tayong lahat. Marami pong salamat.
Congratulations to all of you. Anyway, I'd like to see all of you holding the trophy or flag. I think you deserve it. So, congratulations again. And mabuhay tayong lahat.
Muli, happy 69th founding anniversary. Maraming salamat sa inyong servisyo, Field Office 5. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang DSWD. Diyos mabalos. Magandang hapon po.